Hello, guys. I would like to welcome you all to freshersapp.com. So, Freshers App, to say about Freshers App is a recently launched job site. So, it is one of the fastest growing India's job portal. So, basically, Freshers App is all about job updates. So, I know like many of us would be searching for jobs. We would want to land ourselves in the right jobs. So if you think that you want to get notified, or like you want to know about the various job updates that is happening, like that is present all over India, so I would like to suggest you to come to freshersapp.com. So this is basically a job portal wherein you'll be provided with all the job updates, basically the government job and the private jobs. So all other kinds of job updates you will be able to get right in your laptop or your phones, because we have a huge number of social media platforms wherein you can get notified about the various jobs. Not only that, you can just follow our website freshersapp.com. So as I said, you have like so much jobs that is being posted, like around 50 plus daily jobs that is being posted on our website. So we have such a user friendly site that will be easy. It will be really easy for you to go through. There will be no complications involved in looking for the jobs that you are exactly expecting. So not only that, we have various categories like latest jobs, government jobs, private jobs, current affairs, and all of that. So whether you are looking for a government job or you're looking for a private job, you can just visit our site and you will be able to see all the jobs updates that is being happening, or that is being done in across India. So not only it is not restricted to a particular state or city, but it is across India. So whichever location you are across India, it's not at all a problem. You can just check in our website, like what is the job that is currently happening, that is currently being uploaded in this particular location, or like in this, for this particular qualification. So I have completed my 8th degree, or I have completed my 8th standard, or I have completed my 10th standard, 12th standard, or whether you've done a UG degree. So based on your degrees, based on your UG PG qualification, and based on the qualification basically that you have, you can land into many jobs that is being present on freshersapp.com. So basically we have a team working behind who will be constantly looking for various websites with job updates. So we'll be collecting everything as one package and we'll be giving it to you. That is the main thing of Freshers App. So you will get all the job updates in one platform itself. So whether you think that government job is matching to you, or whether you think that private job is matching to you, or whatever you're looking for, you can definitely look for everything in one place, and that will be freshersapp.com. So saying that, so I would like to take you a run through on the website. So basically Freshers App gives you all the government jobs across various categories. So when you say categories, I can say like whether you are looking for an apprentice job, or trainee job, or defense jobs, bank jobs, or sales, or railway jobs, navy jobs, assistant related jobs. So all these associate jobs, so all these various kind of categories we are presenting to you. So it will be more easier when you visit our website, so that you will be able to get exactly what kind of jobs you are expecting. So freshersapp.com provides you all the kind of categories that you are looking for. So not only these, there are many more categories. So you can have a look when you can visit our website freshersapp.com. Okay, so apart from that, so coming to the location, so you have like state-wise job as well as city-wise job, or the location-wise job. So whether you are looking for like state-wise jobs like TNPSC and all those kinds of jobs, or like whether you're looking for a central government job. So basically there are various categories. So whether you're looking for a central government job or a state government job, or you're looking for some jobs that is location-wise, like based on like Ahmedabad, or like Bangalore or Chennai. So whatever it is, so every job possible is being updated on freshersapp.com. So I hope this will be a huge huge advantage for you guys, since you all are looking for jobs. It will cumulatively give you all the jobs that is happening across India. And not only that, we are providing every job notification on Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn and all that. So we have an follow base of like 70,000 plus in LinkedIn, and not only that, we have WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. So you can follow us, you can get to be notified about all these from our groups. And when you wonder, okay, how can I join this group and all that, no worries, I have given everything in the description. So you can just, if you want to join a Facebook group, you can just go click that link. So you'll be able to you'll be directed to the Facebook page. So you can just join our group, and every 1 hour there is a update coming on the job. So whether you're looking for a railway job, so we'll keep updating you on all the jobs that is coming with respect to railways, or like with respect to banks, everything. And this is happening like for every 1 hour. You'll be updated on WhatsApp groups, and you'll be updated on Facebooks, and you can even follow our LinkedIn page, and you'll be given with all the job updates there also. And all these links will be provided in the description box, so you can just click it and you can redirect to be that page. And not only that, this is not for a particular location, this is entirely across India. So you want job updates from any city, you will be able to follow it in our page, in our freshersapp.com. And not only that, you also have current affairs. So whether you're preparing for any competitive exams like UPSC, SSC or whatever it is, you can definitely, all these competitive exams will be covered with current affairs, I suppose, right? So all these current affairs, it is very much important that we are updated on all these. So whatever current affairs you have, you can just land in our freshersapp.com website. So you'll be able to know all the current affairs that is happening on a daily basis. So we update regularly current affairs daily, so that you guys can keep refreshing and preparing on all this current affairs. So just when you go to our current affairs, and when you just click on the read more option, you'll be knowing what are the current affairs happening on a daily basis. So I would just like to go take you through all these. So whether it is international, so whether they are covering international questions or like national questions or arbitrary questions, appointments and resignations, important days are also one of the favorite things that you will be coming across. So summits and MOUs, or like banking, economy based questions, banking based questions, all these kinds of various, like even in current affairs across various streams, all the topics are covered, and you'll be provided with all the latest updates that is happening on a daily basis. Okay, so if you want to look into all these job updates and current affairs and interview tips, you can just click on the link below to join our groups. And not only that, you can visit our freshersapp.com page for more updates on a regular basis, so that it will be easy for you to get notified about the various jobs. Basically, we don't know right, like where to land for the job, where to look for a job and all that. So it is perfectly designed and perfectly segregated to you, and it is given to you. And not only that, all the jobs are being notified to you guys. So it will be easy for you to get to know about what is the job happening currently. And you can follow our Freshers app page, and you can on Facebook or WhatsApp, LinkedIn. So you'll be able to get notified on all those platforms, and those group links are given in the description below. So just you have to go there and you have to click it. So please follow our page to get more advantageous job updates that will be helping you to land in like great places, great jobs, and to create a better future for you. Please come to our page and groups, and follow all our pages and groups, and also visit freshersapp.com. So I think it will be a huge platform for you to land in your dream job. And not only that, so we also are looking for further improvements on our website. So what kind of improvements and what kind of packages and what kind of things we are providing to you is that, So in the future, we are looking to incorporate all the interview related things, like there are various interview preparations like aptitude preparations. So what kind of aptitude questions you want to prepare before you go to attempt any competitive exams like UPSC, SSC or TNPSC or whatever it is. So all those questions are being rightly prepared by our team. Like we have innovative team and R&D team working, so that they are looking to give you the best possible interview preparations and aptitude preparations and all that, so that you can face any exam without any fear at all, like UPSC, SSC, what kind of exams, competitive exams and all you have, public service commissions, all these things you can just prepare from our website. So skilled people are working on it. So you will be given with all the possible questions, so many like tests you can, online tests you can take, and not only that, they give you all the preparation materials like questions and all that. So if you want to start, it is always free. So you would have seen across various websites where it is all like they would keep it logged, and if you have to pay to redeem it and you have to go through it and all that. It's not the case with freshersapp.com. So it's completely and absolutely free here. So for lifetime, entire lifetime, it's free, right? So it is a huge like benefit to you guys. So you can prepare all the competitive exams, aptitudes like say trains and problems, or like ages, or quantitative aptitudes, or like numerical logical reasoning, whatever aptitudes you are looking to prepare. So you need not pay even a single penny from your pocket. It's not charged at all. There will be e-books for your preparation. So that is also free. So it is not at any cost. So it is, everything is free, and you can definitely are skilled people, and more than that. So what do you think is the quality of that? So that kind of question. So they are giving for free. So what would be the quality of that? So those kinds of questions will be occurring in your mind. So it is all definitely prepared by skilled people. So skilled people and our R&D team with the skilled people are working on preparing all the questions from various sources. They are like looking to prepare, give you the best material that is ever possible, so that you will be able to prepare like in an extra method, or in an extra thing, so that you cannot have any fear when you appear for the exams. And this is all absolutely free, so you need not pay any amount at all. And not only now, it is absolutely free for the lifetime. So please follow our Facebook page, and please join our WhatsApp groups and LinkedIn links. Everything is given in the description below. So please join our group. It will be definitely a good advantage for you guys, because you will be notified about every jobs possible. So daily 50 plus updates are being happening, not only for government but also for private. So whatever jobs you want, you can just follow our social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram and all that. And apart from that, you can also directly visit our freshersapp.com website. So you'll be able to get all the job updates right in one go. And thank you so much once again. I would like to wish you all a happy future and the best career possible. So please don't forget to visit freshersapp.com, and please follow all our Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups. And please join our Facebook page. Visit our Facebook page and follow our groups as well. So thank you so much all for listening. And I will catch back you again in another session. Thank you. Until then, bye. Mm.